Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply effects to your video on the InShot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and then within the create new section click on the video button, then select your video that you would like to edit, tap on it, and then click on the filter button down below, which is the fifth option. Here click on effect. You can see a bunch of categories at the top of this section: glitch, fade, beats, film, split, retro, retro true, retro 2, weather, celebrate, style, or distort. So click on the relevant one and then tap on the effect you want to apply. You can set the value of it on this value slide. And when you are done, click on this checkmark icon on the right side of the screen next to the categories, and then it will be applied to your video. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.